How to get 1099K from Vrbo. Follow the instruction. Log into your Vrbo account. Go to your account or profile settings. Find and open the tax information or payout section. Access your tax profile or W-9 form details. Check if you opted in for electronic delivery of tax forms. If you did, look for the option to download your 1099K form. If you didn't opt in, check your mailbox for a physical copy sent by the end of January. If you expected a form but didn't receive one, contact Vrbo customer support. Be ready to confirm your identity and provide proof of your earnings. Request a reprint or electronic copy through support if needed. Thank you for watching.